All right, let's break down two tech terms you use every single day, LAN and WAN.
So what's the real difference between your home Wi-Fi and the internet? Let's get into it.
First up, picture this, connecting your laptop to your printer, right there in your house.
Now think bigger, like watching a video from servers halfway across the globe. Total game changer.
That network in your house, that's what we call a local area network, or LAN for short.
And that massive globe-spanning connection, that's a wide area network, or WAN. Yep, the internet itself.
Okay, so how are they really different? Well, it all comes down to one thing, scale.
See, a LAN is small, just a room or a building. A WAN is huge, covering cities or countries.
Right, so a LAN connects your room. A WAN connects your city. That distance changes everything.
And that huge difference in scale brings up a pretty big question. Who actually owns these things?
Well, you own your land at home, but WANs, they're run by big service providers.
And that's a big deal. Your LAN is usually faster and way more secure, you know?
So, to recap, LAN is your local spot, private and fast. WAN is the big wide world.
So which one are you using right now? Trick question, you're actually using both to watch this.
If you learned something new in this 2 minutes, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next bite.